I did Unity Learn's Create with VR course over a year ago, and at the time I had no idea how to code. They've upgraded it to a VR pathway, so I decided to revisit it and have a look. One challenge I couldn't do at the time was animating this analog clock, so now I've learned a bit of coding, I decided to try it out. So my approach has been to get the time from DateTime.Now and convert the hours and minutes into seconds. Since DateTime.Now provides a 24-hour clock, I converted it to a 12-hour clock just to make it easier for me to rotate the hour hand later. Then I use the time in seconds, which is basically a combination of the minutes and hours, and return that, and then I can rotate the clock hands. So I use the time in seconds to rotate the transforms of the clock hands based on the degrees per second that each hand should move. Finally, I included an if statement so that rather than updating every frame, it updates once per second.